Okay, I have all went in cut on all of them of the tower legs, and now I've set the machine up, the miter saw, compound miter saw, to 30 degrees going the other direction. So now, and I've determined the length of the cut I want, and I'm ready to cut it. So I'll cut that. Alright, so that's the piece I cut off. And here's what we have at the other end, and we want to mirror this cut to here. So I have it laid out, and I'll set it up on that. Alright, so that's the pieces, or two of the pieces. And alright, so these tower legs from long point to short point are 33 inches. And that is a compound miter. .30 by 15. Alright, 30 by 15.